people in Subikia, a town in Kenya, believes that Mary, the mother of Jesus, has appeared in one of the shrine. Check out.
Usiku na mchana wanaimba wakisema Ave, Ave Maria, ni jina tukufu
Subika constituency is one of the electoral constituency in Kenya, and it is having a shrine that people always go and pray there. And as you can see, a number of crowd gathered to try to watch something which they say that Mother of Jesus is the one appearing. But then, as you can see from the camera, it is clear that it's full of lights, and that light, anyway, it is something which is concerning, or we call for keen attention. But then there is no picture of Mother of Jesus, or maybe the spirits have made it impossible for the camera lenses to capture those things. So it's a surprising supernatural development or spiritual development that Christians and other believers may have the right answer for it. If you're a Christian, comment in the comment section so that I get to know what you think about this development.